$235,000 in revenue, 163K, 37K, 29K, $24,000, and I've done numerous videos on my very own UGC results as well. Whether you're a business, TikTok Shop affiliate, or you do drop shipping, as you can see, people are printing money with faceless content. And if you're not making money with AI UGC ads, you're seriously missing out. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process and the secret tool that I've been using that's honestly a game changer when it comes to this space. In case you don't know, UGC stands for user generated content that is made by regular people. For example, the videos you see on your TikTok For You page of people reviewing products, asking you to click a link in the description, all that lovely stuff, those are UGC videos. Traditionally speaking, these would be real human beings in these videos, but there's a clever workaround which involves using faceless AI ads content on TikTok, Facebook, and beyond. You're essentially tapping into a secret AI tool that 8-figure marketing agencies, direct customer brands, YC-backed companies are trying to hide from you. Now, I've personally trialed this with TikTok Shop. More on my results a bit later on in the video. Let's be real. Most AI tools look robotic. They sound fake. TikTok, Facebook, IG, and other platform algorithms are clamping down on low quality, spammy AI content. These videos, they get throttled, buried, but there's one secret tool I've found which overcomes all these challenges with ease. Let me show you what I mean using a 3-step process which I follow when I'm creating profitable AI UGC videos. In this example, we will focus on TikTok, but this method can fit any social media platform like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And again, whether you're a creator, whether you're a business that's looking to run ads, first thing you want to do is find a video that you're going to model after. So this is assuming you've already got your product. Obviously, you've already got your niche. You've done all those basic steps up until this point. If you don't know how to pick products to sell, I've actually created a video previously, which I will link in the description. You can go ahead and check that out after you watch this video. TikTok Shop, TikTok Creative Center, or spy tools like Kalo Data are my favorite ways of finding the best videos that we can copy from, use as inspiration, and model after. Now, I do have to highlight Kalo Data as this is an ad spy tool which allows you to not only see ads that are relating to the product you're promoting, but they've got a built-in algorithm that ranks those videos based on how well they're performing and the relevancy to what you are searching for as well, which TikTok does not do. So I've left a link in the description if you want to go ahead and check that tool out. The next step here is you want to write a winning script. Don't overthink this. Copy what's working already and put your own twist to it. Using tools like Kalo Data, you can go ahead and find a video that you're going to be modeling, and you can copy scripts from there and put your own unique twist to those scripts. Or like I did in this example, you can also use AI tools like ChatGPT, which will create a script for you in a very short amount of time. I've actually left a killer prompt that I've been using in the description that you can go ahead and copy to get you started. You want to keep your script short and punchy. People scroll fast on these platforms, so you don't want to lose them. Obviously, make a note of the script because you are going to need it a bit later on in this process. So the next step is to create the video. This is where things get exciting. You could hire creators, you could spend hours editing, or you could do what I do, which is use an AI tool that makes the whole thing look and sound human. My go-to is a tool called ArcAds AI, which I've also linked in the description if you want to check it out. Here's a quick breakdown of how this tool works. Once you've signed up using my link in the description, you create a new folder. You do that by clicking the plus here. You can name your folder whatever you want to name it. From there, you can create projects that fall underneath that folder. As you can see from my examples here, I've named the projects by the names of the products that I'm going to be promoting within each video. I've got vitamin D3, mango greens, apple cider gummies, collagen gummies. From here, you paste in the script that you created earlier. Then you choose an actor. Let me show you what I mean exactly. I'm going to click on projects, paste in a script. For this example, I'm going to paste in this same script here. Go ahead and choose to add an actor. So just going to click on add actors, and you can see all the different options here. And it's just crazy how realistic they actually look and sound. I'm just going to preview some of them quickly here.
I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads. Tap any script you think will perform, pick some actors, and let the magic happen.
Natural AI actors you can use for your ads. Create a script you think will work well, choose some actors, and let them.
Hey there, welcome to ArcAds.
Hey you, welcome to ArcAds.
Absolutely wild. When I first saw these, I seriously doubted that they were AI. If we focus towards the menu or the toolbar on the left-hand side, you can pick the gender. I can select the age, adult, senior, young adult, the order. So do I want a newly added actor, high definition? Do I want exclusive for pro? These tend to be the higher quality ones for pro users. What situation do you want them to be when they're talking to the camera? Are they at an airport, bathroom, get ready with me, which are very popular types of videos on TikTok, historical interview, etc. But you've also got accessories that you can add. So do you want actors or actresses that have bags? Do you want them to be in the bathrobe, and so forth? You can further also filter down by emotions. Are you looking for a calm actress, enthusiastic, excited? And you can basically drill down even further using these parameters here. To go even further, you can also choose the skin tone of that actor. You want to appeal to a particular target audience because of the product that you're promoting. This allows you to do exactly just that. Once you've selected the actor, obviously you just click on here, choose an actor, and at the bottom there I'm going to go add actor, just chosen a random one for this example, and they will now read this script which I've pasted here. A few quick notes on the script. You'll notice that I've put ladies at the beginning in capital letters. That's to help the actress emphasize that word. Also added asterisks here as well, which just also gives it more emphasis. Platforms such as TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, where you use short videos as your UGC ads, obviously the first 3 seconds are very important and you want to capture people's attention immediately, which is why I've made a point of emphasizing that first word there. I've kept the script minimal, very short. I'm just gonna press play so you can hear how this sounds exactly.
Lady, in case you missed it last time, the thing that's been getting all these 5-star reviews lately, a year's worth of vitamin D3 and K2 is back on a half-price 24-hour secret flash sale on TikTok Shop. Unfortunately, these sales get taken down quickly because this is TikTok, so you'll have to hurry and press on the little TikTok shopping icon thingy below.
Perfect, absolutely spot on. And what I also like is you can preview the narration a number of times,
Ladies,
not just once, before you publish the video, which allows you to catch any mistakes that you might have made. If you're happy with how it sounds, happy with the actress, you can go ahead and generate a video.
Ladies, in case you missed it last time, the thing that's been getting all these 5-star reviews lately.
This is your last chance to get 2 of these apple cider vinegar gummies at half price. This literally...
TikTok must be broken because I've just noticed my favorite mango greens drink blend from TikTok Shop is currently $50.
Okay, so once you're happy with the video, you can either upload it directly onto your platform of choice, or alternatively, here's a quick pro tip. If you want to polish the video up even more, you can obviously add music on tools like CapCut, Premiere Pro, whatever your editing tool of choice is. If you're comfortable with that, you know, you can add captions, testimonials.
This is your last chance to get 2 of these apple cider vinegar gummies at half price. This literally never happens. No more excuses. I don't want to get any more comments saying you missed out. Knowing TikTok, this sale will probably be gone in a few hours. I have left a special TikTok Shop link for you below.
TikTok platform has got built-in editing features. A lot of these platforms do. Now, if you want me to do a full walkthrough on how I edit and upload these videos once they've been exported from Arc Ads, let me know in the comments and I may do a longer deep dive in the near future. Again, you can grab Arc Ads AI in the description. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I will catch you in the next one.